Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the stabilizer's rating matches your AC's input voltage and wattage so it can handle startup surge. Once confirmed, cut power at the breaker and position the stabilizer on a ventilated, stable surface near the AC unit to avoid cable strain. Now plug the stabilizer into the mains, then connect the AC to the stabilizer output. Make sure plugs are fully seated. This prevents arcing and ensures the stabilizer can read line voltage before you power the AC back up. Once done with connections, set the stabilizer's voltage selector or program the digital range to the AC's normal operating band so the unit can regulate correctly. Next, power the stabilizer and wait for its ready indicator, LED or chime, because the stabilizer calibrates internal relays and delay timers. Then switch the AC on to low cooling. This reduces startup load and lets you watch the stabilizer's voltage and current displays and the compressor's behavior. If all readings stay within range, gradually increase to usual settings. To finish, tidy and secure cables, label connections, and run the AC for 15 to 30 minutes while monitoring stabilizer temperature and load indicators to confirm stable operation. Make sure ventilation around the stabilizer is maintained and that thermal or overload lights remain off. This prevents premature shutdown. If the stabilizer trips frequently or shows large voltage swings, measure mains voltage and frequency. Take that reading to a qualified electrician because weak supply or undersized stabilizers are the usual causes and need correction.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.